Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to learn all about the common Aubrieta, or also called Aubrieta Deltoidea. It's a beautiful rock plant, or kind of a ground cover type plant that does really well in almost any climate. So the Aubrieta is native to southern Europe, so all the way into Turkey. So it likes a Mediterranean climate, which is really wet in the winter, but still drying out in between, and then really warm summers. Aubrieta is also called rock cress, or the mountain flower, because it grows right on the southern European mountainsides, right off of rocks. So it'll just hang down. So it's a great rock plant if you have a rock wall, or you have an area where you can let them cascade. They make great hanging baskets as well. The Aubrieta actually don't do well in really hot climates. They like a little bit of a cooling time in the wintertime. So they'll grow in zones 4 to 9. So they can handle a lot of cold temperatures, not just the warmer areas. They don't like places where there's no seasons. So you'd actually have to dig them up and cool them down to get them to come back again. They like a lot of water in the summertime when they're growing, just like it does in the Mediterranean. It rains really hard, but then it dries out. So make sure and water them really well, but let them dry out in between. And you can enjoy them as a great plant in your garden.